Everyone, good morning. It is our final day in Haiti. This is our last day of VBS. This is my little station. This is like our like festival day, I guess, carnival. And basically, everyone else is right now. They're like getting the other kids, but I stayed behind to set up, and then I had a little irritation right here with my sunblock. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a brief look at what I'm doing today. I'm in the nail polish station. So the girls are going to come here and sit in front of me, in this little seat right here. Actually, just go around and say hi. Oh, wait. We painted this room again, and we like showed on the board. So cute. Here's Oogie's over there. Okay. Oh, it burns. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna like insert a clip of the mountain because it's so pretty. Sorry, I'm like short, so I can't really get a good view of this. But this is so pretty. I can't even see it. Oh, is that better? But it's so pretty. It's right outside the church. You can see it, and it's beautiful. But yeah, it's pretty lit. Alright, here's our little view before the chaos. I'm just like on our steps. But here you go. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, coming down. Yeah. This is our little area where we like sing and praise, and we like did VBS there yesterday because the room up here is a where they have church service, and it was like really hot, so we decided not to do it in there. But over there is really cool. We have our Mr. Jeff and Gabby over there, very cute. But yeah, hopefully it goes well today. I like almost cried thinking about like leaving these kids. I'm like so sad. Say hi and get to the vlog. Bonjour. What time is it? Bonjour. Bonjour. Oh yeah. Ungi is doing water pong.
Yeah, water pong. Because beer is prohibited.
Oh, hi Betty. Bonjour. Oh, I'm good. Well. This is Fetty, our translator. This is Hangyo-sa님, our missionary. 안녕하세요. Hey, you want to say hi to our vlog, Fetty?
Go ahead.
Say hi, bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment on?
Oh, wait, does that mean how are you?
Yeah.
Oh, so how would you respond? Like, bon?
Bon.
Bon? Okay. Bien. Bon, bien. Bon? Oh, okay, great. Let's just say bonjour. Hi, guys. These are my girls. Oh. Wait, can you guys... Yeah, here we go. Alright. Say bonjour. Alright, I'm going to go back to my station and make sure everything's all good and ready. So far, so good. I'm like not in it right now. It's like super hot. Mogi. Okay. Bye! Thanks you. Bye, Crispy. I love you. I love you. Jesse, Bonsoir, everyone. We ended VBS, and now we're on the bus. Hour and 30 minutes? Yeah, our half drive to the beach, second best tourist attraction in Haiti. Yes. Oh, what the? Wow, that was really good. We're just past like this like river of like goo and nasty black stuff. Anyways, we're the back of the bus. How y'all doing? We're the bad kids that talk about the nasty stuff. Esther has an interesting story.
I have a very good story. So, back of the bus, 4th grade. These 3 namjaders were talking about how they did the stuff, and they were going into very explicit detail. And my innocent 4th grade ears heard it all.
Yes.
I learned all the cuss words.
Yeah, but being in the back means that you're like the seniors.
Yeah, it was like 4th, 5th grade. We just did it by grade.
But yes, we're the bad 5th graders.
yeah, today was the last day of VBS. It was really sad because like I was like,
She cried.
I cried. Like I was at the door like saying bye to people. Like I don't know, I had this like sudden sadness. Like hugging these kids. I was like, I'm never gonna see these kids again. I like really want to see them again in heaven. Like I guess that, I don't know, that hunger I feel like. I was like, I really want them to. Jezzy and Menu children, if you're somehow watching this. But yeah, it smells from there. And sugar cane. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, roads are very dusty. Civilians. Whoa! 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 That is so pretty. That is really pretty. Oh my gosh! 5 minutes away. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll get back to you guys very soon. Oh my gosh. Wait. No way. Okay. Oh. Good. The mountain, the sunset, and then bye. Hey, it's the first stoplight. What do you think is that one? Look at this water. Please don't drop your phone. Please don't drop your phone. Alright, this is so beautiful. I'm really scared. Okay. Holy crap. Don't drop your phone, Jojo. I am holding on with both hands for dear life onto this thing. Say hi, Maddie. This is the love of my life. Wow. Upstairs, take a picture on the back too. My boy Fetty right there. He's so cute. Our passenger guy. Oh, it's cute. Here, Jojo. Alright, ready? Let me get the beautiful water. Oh yeah, do it. Alright. This is our little ground right here. Mr. Jeff, Gabby. I'm too scared of the water. Yeah, I'm too short. I can't. I touched that. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna die if I do that. Okay, goodbye, friends. Say hi, dude. Oh, you can. We are at the beach. Hallelujah, girl. Pretty lit. Oh. Hi, Maddie. Looking good as always. Oh my gosh. Wait, should I risk me on the water? Maybe like just this part. I'm kind of scared.
Like right where I'm at.
Oh, shoot. Say hello. Let's go underwater together. I want to put my phone right now on the water. This is salt water. Wait. Oh yeah, you go ahead. Alright, I put my phone back because I don't want to risk getting like salt in here. Hello. Water. Hi, Esther. Hello. Alright, getting up. Ah. Hello, Isaac. You're so cute. I do awkward. You can do it again. It's for your vlog. Oh, my vlog? Hello, bonsoir. We are in Labadee. Okay, look at my little pet. Oh my gosh. Wait, the crab came out. I'm actually moving. Oh, that was so mean. Where's the crab? But yeah, it's super pretty once again. Oh, even prettier. Oh my.
No, I think this is prettier.
Dude. Pictures are very important.
Out of all creation, I think God's favorite is us. I think that's actually biblical. I don't know. Oh, I sorry, friend. These rocks hurt like crap, man. Ooh. So wake me up. Friends. I sorry. Oh, I fall. Ew, that's disgusting.
Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop it. I'm like running out of space.
Wait.
Oh, it's so cute.
Wait, what?
You can do a landscape or not?
Oh, this is so cute. Feels so good. Oh, there's like little fish in the water too. Let's look at ungies.
Oh my god, they're going on top of each other. Did you see it?
Oh.
It's going on top of each other.
Oh, you're so cute, dude. Oh, my hand's shaking. Hello, June. Oh, my hand's shaking. Okay, I'm sorry. Bonsoir, everyone. Oh, bon wheat. I thought it was bon wheat. Bon wheat? Bon wheat, like wheat? Like, yeah, like what are you doing? Oh my god. Camila's so cute. What the heck? Okay, but we're closing out our vlog for the day. I haven't been doing this very well this whole trip. Please excuse that. It's pretty, you know, I don't want to be always on my phone.
Fishing can be by herself.
There's a baby Camila. You have some 2 cents for our vlog today? Oh, this is video. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. But yeah, we went to the beach. Beach was pretty great. It was so pretty. Just showered. Now we're all clean, except you're kind of sweaty now. I haven't sweat that much. Ew, I got on my leg, man. Okay, dripping sweat. Sorry. You know what? Why don't we just do this? Continuing on from what just happened. So yeah, this is our last day in Haiti. We're leaving in the morning to Dominican Republic. I'm really sad.
Oh, we already discussed this.
Yeah. I'm like gonna miss this place a lot. After like seeing the beach and like the streets and everything, I don't know, man. The park, it's just I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Hopefully Dominican is just as fun even more. I'm sure the language barrier won't be out as much, right? But yeah, we just had some corn toasted on an open fire. Little corns roasting on an open fire. Okay, that made no sense. I'm sorry, I'm done too. So yeah, the ladies made it for us. And it was really, it tasted like popcorn, like really, like, it was like chewy. You just wiped your sweat on my ass. Here. I don't want again. I'm moving on to. Alright, so yay. We're gonna vlog. Say hello, vlog. Oh, okay. So, how was your day today? Huh? It wasn't? Oui? Isaac, come here. We're gonna vlog together. He keeps saying extra toasty, y'all. If you guys know what that means. If you do, give me a extra toasty. Yeah. I didn't do anything. He just like heard it and he just decided. What? Extra toasty?
Why you have to infect him with you like?
Extra toasty. We just talked about. He heard it. Now he's repeating. It's not my fault. Does that make sense? I think. I don't know. She came back to me. Yes, it's a good thing. Okay, I'm like running out of space. Get Hedju. Hedju! Hedju! Oh my god! You wanna be in vlog? My yay! Jennifer's so cute. So cute, so cute. Oh, we should give her. You never did room tour. I know, I'm gonna do that right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Room tour, let's go. Alright, this is our room tour. We're in room number 2, the terrible room, as in the messiest. It's a fine room. So as you walk in, we have our luggage. Oh yeah. We have some. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, I can't even see it. But yeah, here's our little hanger thingy. Our messy little Maggie corner. This is my messy corner, and this is my messy corner as well. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, we're so filthy. Now they're looking. I don't really care looking at it, honestly. Hello. This is what a lot of YouTubers do. They're like, "Hi, everyone." Okay. Anyways, I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, my hand is so unsteady. I can't do this, man. I'm like too excited. I move around too much. Oh yeah, this is kind of creepy. But like, it's like a window outside. So none of the windows in this house have like glass. So it's just like a mesh lining and then some railings and brick. And there's also no vents on the ceilings. So I guess that's kind of the reason why. So air can come in and out. And there's a lovely fan that is generated by our electric generator outside. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave now because there's nothing interesting about it. This is I'll give you a house tour, I guess. This is our Pinterest tires and table once again. Oh, cute little Isaac, who's a Pikachu. I need to go a little slower. I'm so sorry, everyone. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I already showed you guys. Room number 1, similar. Here it is, the other room. Say hello. Very nice. Oh wait, I gotta do the YouTuber mirror thing. Okay, goodbye. Let me show you our light switches. There's a little dimple so you can know it's on. Here's our bathroom. Here is the other room, room number 4. Oh, conversation. 남자 화장실. And here's our food is all packed up. But Camila and Camila's father, Mr. Paulo, and our wonderful fridge over there. And those were that's where we cook and clean our dishes. But yeah, so far that's it. Okay. You guys want to say goodnight to our vlog? I didn't. What? I said, you guys want to say goodnight to my vlog and no one hurt me. Never mind. Andrew, you want to say goodnight to our vlog? Someone say goodnight. Oh, I'll go outside. Good idea, Jojo. Alright. Very cute, very cute. Here's our door. Oh, we have like 2 doors. Yeah. Here's how you open it. Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, it's my last. Oh, it's thunder. Oh, yeah. Alright. And then upstairs this way. Hello. Upstairs this way. That is where we go to worship, sanctuary. And then down this alley is like, there's like lines for clothes and then a hose back there. This is where we're sleeping tonight. Yay.
Hi, vlog.
Hello, you guys want to say goodnight? Say bon nuit. Say bon nuit. Bon nuit.
Last day in Haiti.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hello. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Say bon nuit. Bon nuit. Bon nuit. Here's some lovely adults talking. Oh yeah, and there's our door. That's the human door. That's the car and other big thing door. Okay, GN. GN.